Greetings, I am a digital representative of GFE Solutions. At GFE Solutions, we're more than just a leader in providing top-notch engineering services. We're innovators in the way we connect and collaborate. As we reflect on our journey over the past 5 years, particularly in the dynamic European market, one thing stands out: our preference for digital meetings. This isn't just about convenience, it's a fundamental shift in how we do business. Why digital meetings? They bring efficiency and accessibility, connecting our team and clients globally, saving time, and focusing on delivering top-notch engineering solutions. Our commitment to sustainability is reinforced as we reduce travel, making a positive impact on the planet. But it's not just about logistics. Digital meetings strengthen our client relationships, enabling frequent, productive interactions regardless of location. We're continuously exploring new technologies to enhance these interactions, ensuring we're always at the forefront of communication innovation. Join us in embracing the future of collaboration. Let's engineer a smarter, more connected world together.